Hurry, brother. We may get a piece of the chisel and be gone before they even notice.
Yeah. Boy. Surrender. The All-Father demands it. No. Good.
This fight is mine, boy. Go.
And where do you think you're going? Oh no, brother. The little freak's got a bow. What are we gonna do?
Small one's yours. Don't tell me what to do. I'll take the runt. I can't remember the last time we faced an actual challenge.
Call this a challenge. An old man and this newborn.
Okay, back there.
I will
Take the little freak.
Unbelievable. You need to oppose the flight of Asgard.
You've got some father, kid.
Stay behind me, boy. Why do you hunt us? What does Odin want?
Oh no, don't care.
Come here, half-breed. You done know that is hand.
Shut up! Don't call me that!
Can't believe you've lasted this long. No skinny dogs can pay it.
I said shut up!
Calm yourself, boy.
Looks like they need another lesson.
I'm happy to teach, brother. Good big fans for you. Scrawny. I bet Daddy's embarrassed after dragging.
Shut it out. Focus.
I'll take the little Mimir! I want that other arm. Stop! Oh, Mimir! Don't think that I've got Only all to yourself, do you? Don't talk about my mommy.
Don't listen to him, lad. He's trying to rile you up. The sons of Thor are welcome to try.
Head!
Sorry, overstepped, yeah?
Talk about my mommy.
Don't listen to him, lad. He's trying to rile you up. The sons of Thor are welcome to try.
Head!
Sorry, overstepped, yeah?
Having fun yet? Gonna drag your carcass to us. Having fun yet? It's a little rustle.
Stop it!
Boy! Take this. Atreus!
Never said I needed you. Now, let's see that.
Boy! Stay focused.
Shut up, you bastard!
Atreus!
Looks like we need another lesson. The small one's yours. Don't tell me what to do. You idiot! Magni!
Oh, that must have been some war to play with the light of him.
I'll kill you!
Atreus! Atreus!
You have no idea. You son of a bitch!
Get this gun! I'll rip your head off!
Sickness. Fever has returned.
No! It hasn't.
Roy,
The coughing, the blood. The boy's sick, he needs Freya.
No!
Steady.
I'll be alright.
There you go, lad.
I'm fine, see?